Hey Pisces, how y'all doing? It's the goddess naturally over here, divinely guided goddess Reads, LLC. And I'm back with another video. Back with another video, Pisces. Tap in, check in, Pisces. These are general readings. They may or may not resonate with all y'all out there. If it's not your story, if it's not your story, honey, don't make it fit. I could be speaking of past, present, and future energies, Pisces. I could be speaking of past, present, and future energies, Pisces. But guess what? I'm going to be talking about these energies. Yeah. That being said, Pisces, let's get into this reading. Shit. Okay. As I say that. Okay, what do we have here? We have a Knight of Cups in reverse. We have a Knight of Cups in reverse. There's some type of block love offer or some type of negative feelings about some type of offer, okay? This is something that has been long term, okay? Or something that's been going on for a long time. Tell me more. Well, we got the Tower. This really shook a connection up. Some type of negative action or some type of action that didn't happen really shook in love, really shook this connection up. And it left somebody in their head, Pisces. This could have been you or someone around you. Left somebody in their head, feeling captive, not knowing what to do for a while, feeling stuck, trapping themselves in their own thoughts, continuously replaying this event that happened in their minds. Look at this, the Death card, and there was an ending. There was an ending here. For some of you guys, there could have been a physical death. That it was somebody close to someone, okay? It happened all of a sudden. Somebody could be traumatized from this, okay? Really replaying the thoughts of this over and over in their mind, okay? For some of y'all, this could have been an ex-lover or somebody who you know, who you cared for, or who you knew, okay? This could have been somebody who got a lot of attention. Someone who was maybe in the limelight or somebody who held some type of status or position, okay? Somebody who had some type of achievements. Someone who had also haters, okay? This person had haters around them, okay? People opposing them in their status. This person knew that everybody that were in their vicinity didn't mean them the best. But this person had passion for something that they've achieved. This could be creatively, okay? Or some type of idea that took them, some type of idea, some type of business idea, some type of something that took them, that put them above others, okay, in some shape, form, or fashion. And a lot of people were opposed of that. Some people are trying to manifest, and learning from this individual, but there were others who were stuck. And this individual learned how to manifest and learn how not to be stuck in just wishing and hoping, but actually bringing things into fruition. Three of Swords. This could have broke somebody's heart when this person passed, or when this ended with this person, okay? This could have been somebody's karma. Somebody could have also got some type of money from this. Okay, with the Ace of Pentacles and the Justice card. Somebody could have also got some type of money, had some type of law, or legal dealings, court settlement from this situation. I feel like whoever is up in their head or who was torn, if this is you, Pisces, whoever has been torn about this situation and up in their head replaying something over and over in their mind, okay, with the Eight of Swords, is trying to figure out whether to play nice or some shit, or like surprise apology, or just bring a lighthearted energy towards this situation, or whether to move on in a different, more stable, okay, with the Knight of Pentacles, move on to a different, more stable opportunity. This is also an opportunity. This is also the Pinnacle, okay? With this Ace of Pentacles, and then it's like somebody is owed something from something that was done wrong, okay? Somebody is owed to somebody a status, position, okay, with this Six of Wands here. And it's Three of Swords, some type of betrayal or heartache. Somebody is owed something from some type of legal proceeding or something. But somebody's in their head also about like almost reconciling with this energy, or with the Page of Cups, or to just walk away. Take the Pentacle and just walk away. Protect themselves and move slowly. It's like two different ways of going about getting something. It's like you can go about getting it all nice and, happy and, almost kissing somebody's ass. Or, with these two, back to back, they're going in two different directions. They have two different approaches. One's a page and one's a knight. Okay, the page is obviously younger, the more immature energy, but it's a very psychic and creative energy. But this Page of Cups, it feels like a ass kissing energy. Okay, but this Knight of Pentacles is more of a protected, more of a defensive, let me get this pentacle and go about my business. And it is a knight, so they're always ready for battle. But it seems like whatever it is, whatever way or direction with this Knight of Pentacles, whichever way you choose to go about getting this or doing this, the Knight of Pentacles is going to be the slow and steady way of doing it. Like it's going to take some time and it's going to take some work, and it may not seem like you're getting nowhere fast, but you're going in a direction and you're on the right path. You're going to get what you want, but it takes time. What's the advice for Pisces in this situation? We have the Page of Pentacles. This has to do with some type of money or some type of opportunity, some type of physical possession, okay? We also have the Judgment card. Three of Cups. I was feeling some type of reconciliation with this Page of Cups here. But it was an ass-kissing energy. But this is Three of Cups says, this is reconciliation. This is coming together with partners. This is multiple people together celebrating something. Somebody may take, or you may take a smaller pay. Somebody may take a pay cut or some shit and reconcile. The Judgment card is also a card of reconciliation, okay? But you're learning to make a judgment about this reconciliation. What will this judgment be? Ten of Cups. Happiness, family, togetherness, family. So you're learning to treat somebody like family, or somebody is family to you. You're gonna reconcile with someone. Let's get a where are you, darling? There you are. Oh, excuse me, Pisces. Could need some rest, Pisces. All right, let's pull a white light oracle for this, Pisces. Okay. At the bottom, we got Deer of Delta, card 26. We gonna read that. Deer of Delta. Here we go. Without any force, you can overcome even extreme negativities. Your real nature is gentle, which is powerful in its own unique way. You do not need to become something you are not. You can confidently and effectively invoke spiritual protection from the light. You can never be dominated or bullied at a spiritual level, because the real you is always empowered and protected in the light. Like I said, you are protected. And Spirit said you don't have to worry about getting bullied. You can never be dominated in the spiritual realm. And you have to be who you are. You cannot be something other than you are. And your nature is gentle, Pisces. It's not the aggressive nature, and you know that. Okay? So, 29. Beauty of the Sacred Rapture. Let your true self be seen. Search for the deeper spiritual purpose and opportunity for healing beneath conflict and suffering. If you have been in pain, this oracle brings a message of a joyful breakthrough. Your soul is growing stronger, more able to have faith and wisdom than in judgment or doubt. Commit to your spiritual path and know you are making progress, even if things seem more difficult for a time. Know that any such difficulty is part of your healing and that you will successfully move through it. Trust yourself. All right, and then we have 44, Ishtar's Lion Gate, 888. Your heart has a heightened connection with the higher realms of consciousness and light. A blessing, empowerment, and positive omens shall enter your world. Doors will open for you. Abundance and prosperity are headed your way. Take care of your heart. Ask for spiritual assistance and it shall be granted. Something negative is going to transform into something very positive. All right, Pisces, you heard the message. I hope you've got something from this reading, Pisces. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. To all my returning subscribers, y'all know I love y'all, and I'm sending you so much love, light, peace, positive, and prosperous energy. Until next time, Pisces, check. I can't even talk, Pisces. Catch the goddess in another video. Peace.